It's Megan Classy Life Run, and today in this video, I'm going to like eat. This is, look what I brought with here. There's pack they brought in the family, the grandmother. Here, this is Müller yogurt official, just in Hebrew. Okay, this is like sour cheese. This is very great. I like it. You regular to see. You regular to see. You happy to see sweet yogurt. I love the sour. Even if not seems so from this, you know. Here. Lamho is sour, you know. This is normal regular yogurt. Not finished. I'm now finishing. Okay, I will maximum with this, but it's not disrespecting. Just my mouth is dirty. That's okay. Who's themselves? Yes, I don't talk a lot, so now we will talk. Yes, 2 minutes and a half. So write this. Look, my shirt there's not drawing here, but behind I have this. I had this in khaki also. Respect. With stripe under. So now look. Big outs. Join to the blog of Itron channel, to the blog of Itron army. Subscribe, and we will meet in the next video after I will finish this. And this maybe will happen tomorrow. No, I will not finish tomorrow. I just will try a new video tomorrow. Good. Again, if you like the video, and subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. Don't forget to join to the blog of Itron army.